Go.
Not yet, Rizal, not yet. Sleep not in peace. There are 1,000 waters to be spanned. There are 1,000 mountains to be crossed. There are 1,000 crosses to be borne. Our shoulders are not strong. Our sinews are grown flaccid with dependence. There is under another's wing. Rest not in peace.
Not yet, Rizal, not yet. The land has need of young blood and what younger than your own. Forever spilled in the great name of freedom. Forever oblate on the altar of the weak. Not you alone, Rizal.
O souls and spirit of the martyred brave, arise, arise and scour the land. Since once again your willing blood infused the vibrant red into our thin anemic veins, until we pick up your Promethean tools and strong.
Out of the deathless mockery of your faith in us, and on the silent cliffs of freedom, we carve for all time your
Continue.
Marmorian dream, until our people seeing are become like the Mulave, fear, resilient, staunch, rising on the hillside, unafraid, strong its own fiber. Yes, like the Mulave.
Not yet, Rizal, not yet. The glory hour will come. Out of the silent dreaming, from the 7,000-fold silence, we shall emerge, saying we are Filipinos.
And no longer be ashamed. Sleep not in peace. The dream is not fully curved. Hard the wood, but harder the woods.
Yet the Mulave will stand, yet the Mulave monument will rise, and gods walk on brownless.